Hello guys, this is Roshan here and welcome to my YouTube channel Code Decode. So in this video we are going to see how to make your own custom command in Termux app. So you can see by typing L, my Termux is getting cleared. That is, L is behaving as a clear command in Termux app. Similarly, by typing H, it displays all the history. That is, H is behaving as a history command in Termux app. Similarly, we can use double dot to go one directory backward, and you can see we have successfully gone one directory backward by using double dot. Custom commands are very useful. They make the long and difficult command short and easy to use. So to make your own custom command, type nano space dot bash underscore profile and hit the enter button. Here it will open the text editor. Here type the code alias alias space your custom command which you want, just like I am entering L for clearing the Termux app. The L is equal to single quotes and the default command which is to be executed here, clear, closing the quotes. Now similarly you can make as many commands as you can. Here alias h is equal to single quotes history will behave as a shortcut for history command. Similarly you can make as many as you can. Here alias space dot dot can be used to go one directory backward. That is, dot dot is equal to single quotes cd space dot dot single quotes closed. Similarly, alias space e is equal to single quotes exit can be used to exit the Termux app. Now saving it using Ctrl and O command and exiting using Ctrl and X command. Now simply exit your Termux app and open it again. Now our own custom commands are made successfully. Just type L to clear the console. Typing H will show all the history. No need to type history again and again. Similarly, we can use dot dot command to go one directory backward. You can see we have successfully gone one directory backward using dot dot command. So that's all for today. Thank you.